This is the 263 of the 200 series cold machine from GFP. The control panel is very easy to read. You have a power indicator, will show when the power is turned on or off. Underneath that you have the speed dial that goes from 1 to max. Below that you have your run foot switch. Next to that is forward and reverse. On the stationary feed platform on this machine, you'll notice the print hold down bar. What this does is it keeps the print down so that when it runs through the machine it can't flop up and break the safety beam, which would shut the machine off. When not in use, such as when you're mounting, this can easily store underneath the machine. Here we have the bottom supply shaft, and it simply fits into this cradles like that. These are the core adapters along with the brake pieces. Now these are adjusted by simply spinning this knurled knob right here. Spinning it in this direction tightens the brake. Spinning it away from the core loosens the brake. Underneath the machine you'll see the cloth blanket. This can be used to store extra rolls of media, craft paper, film, supply shaft, or the print hold down bar. This is the hand wheel which controls the up and down movement of the roller, the top roller. And when you crank this down, when you feel the rollers touch in this position right here, you give about one more number on the face of a clock, and that will be your maximum pressure that you want to put on your product. Next to that is the emergency stop switch. When depressed, that will stop all motor movement and nothing will happen until this is reset. To reset the emergency stop switch, simply push down, turn, and it'll pop back up. There's also another safety switch on the other side of the machine. Up here we have the Unwind Rewind assembly. This shaft is the supply shaft which holds the over laminate. You'll see an arrow at the end of this shaft that indicates where the tongue is. This tongue fits into the groove on the cradle, and that's what drives the rewind assembly. It simply fits in like that, and then we turn and lock it in place. This is the rewind assembly, and it also has an arrow indicating where the tongue is, so it makes it easier when removing and replacing. It also locks into place just like that. Next we have the foot pedal. The foot pedal, it controls the motor movement when depressed in the foot mode. In the run mode, the machine will run automatically. Reverse and forward. Reverse will only work when the foot pedal is depressed. This is the toolbox. It's held to the machine by 4 magnets, and you can put your extra tape, Allen wrench, or any other things that you need, including a zippy knife. The hand wheel controls the up and down movement of the rollers. When all the way down and touching, as stated earlier, you just go one number on the face of the clock, past that, and it will be ready to run. In the run mode, you'll see the rollers turning. This opening here is the safety eye, and if anything blocks that, you'll see that the motor stops immediately. To reset, press foot and go back to run.